$10,000 turns into $500,000. No side hustle, no stock picking, no crypto gambling. Just laziness. Pure, beautiful laziness. Here's the catch. You need time and patience and the ability to do nothing. Most people can't do that. They tinker, they panic, they sell at the bottom, they chase the next hot stock. But if you can master the art of doing absolutely nothing, you'll beat 90% of investors. In the next 10 minutes, I'm breaking down the exact lazy method to turn $10,000 into $500,000. The math, the timeline, the step-by-step process. This isn't sexy, it's not exciting, but it works. Let's go. Here's what you need to understand. The lazy method is not get rich quick. It's get rich slowly and inevitably. No stock picking, no timing the market, no reading financial news, no watching your portfolio daily. Just buy, hold, do nothing. Warren Buffett said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." This video is for the patient, the lazy, the people who understand that boring beats exciting when it comes to wealth. Here's the formula. Start with $10,000. Invest in a low-cost index fund. Add money monthly, optional but accelerates growth. Wait 25 to 40 years. Retire rich. That's it. That's the whole strategy. Sound boring? Good. Boring is what makes you wealthy. Let's break down the exact math. Let's start with the pure lazy method. $10,000. Zero additional contributions. Just let it sit. Starting amount, $10,000. Annual return, 10%. Historical S&P 500 average. Additional contributions, $0. Here's what happens. After 10 years, $25,937. After 20 years, $67,275. After 30 years, $174,494. After 40 years, $452,592. Wait, that's $452,592. We're $47,000 short of $500,000. Okay, fine. Let's go 41 years. $497,851. There it is. $10,000 turns into $497,851 in 41 years by doing nothing. But let's be real. 41 years is a long time. Can we speed this up? Yes. By adding money monthly. What if you're more aggressive? $500 per month instead of $200. Starting amount, $10,000. Monthly contribution, $500. Annual return, 10%. Here's what happens. After 10 years, $117,447. After 15 years, $217,942. After 18 years, $317,581. After 20 years, $397,089. After 21 years, $446,929. After 22 years, $501,539. $10,000 turns into $500,000 in 22 years with $500 per month contributions. Total contributions. $10,000 plus $500 times 12 times 22 equals $142,000. Ending value, $501,539. You made $359,539 in compound interest. And here's the kicker. If you keep going, after 30 years, $1,055,395. After 40 years, $3,162,039. Over $3 million from just $10,000 and $500 per month. Why does the lazy method destroy active trading? Reason 1. You avoid timing. Mistakes. Studies show that the average investor underperforms the market by 3 to 4% per year. Why? Because they buy high and sell low. They panic during crashes. They chase hot stocks. They time the market poorly. The S&P 500 returned 10% annually, but the average investor only 6 to 7%. The lazy method forces you to stay invested. You can't panic sell if you're not watching. Reason 2. You avoid taxes. Every time you sell a stock, you trigger capital gains taxes. 15 to 20% of your gains disappear. The lazy method? You hold for decades. Your money compounds tax-free until you withdraw. That tax deferral adds years of compound growth. Reason 3. You avoid fees. Active traders pay trading fees, fund management fees, 1 to 2% annually, and advisor fees. The lazy method? 0.03% expense ratio on a Vanguard index fund like VTI on a $100,000 portfolio. Active fund, $1,000 to $2,000 per year in fees. Lazy index fund, $30 per year. Over 30 years, those fees cost you hundreds of thousands. Reason 4, time and market beats. Timing the market missing just the 10 best days in the market over 30 years cuts your returns in half. The problem? The best days often happen right after the worst days. If you panic sell, you miss the recovery. The lazy method keeps you invested through the crashes, and you always capture the recovery. All right, here's exactly how to do this. Step 1. Open a brokerage account Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. All are excellent. 0 fees to open. Takes 10 minutes online. Link your bank account. Step 2. Deposit your $10,000, transfer it from your bank to your brokerage account. Takes 2 to 3 days. Step 3. Buy a total market index fund. Here are the best options. VTI, Vanguard Total. Stock Market ETF, 0.03% expense ratio. FXAIX, Fidelity 500 Index Fund, 0.015% expense ratio. SCHB, Schwab, US Broad Market. TF, 0.03% expense ratio. Pick one. Buy it. That's it. Step 4. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Tell your brokerage to automatically invest $200, $500, or whatever you can afford every month. This removes willpower. It happens automatically. Step 5. Do nothing. This is the hardest step. Seriously, don't check your account daily. Don't panic during crashes. Don't sell. Check once a year max, preferably once every 5 years. Step 6. Rebalance. Once per year, optional if you want to get fancy. Rebalance once per year. But honestly, it's optional. The lazy method is buy VTI, hold forever, retire rich. Here's the brutal truth. Most people can't do the lazy method. Not because it's hard, because it's boring. Failure. Point 1. They tinker. They check their portfolio daily. They see red. They panic. They sell. Or they see a stock up 50% and think, I should have bought that. So they chase it. Solution: set it and forget it. Uninstall your brokerage app if you have to. Failure. Point 2. They panic. During crashes March 2020, market crashed 34%. Lazy investors, they held and recovered within 6 months. Panic sellers, they locked in losses and missed the recovery. Solution: expect crashes. They happen every 5 to 10 years. They're normal. They're buying opportunities, not selling triggers. Failure. Point 3. They compare to others. Their friend made 300% on a meme stock. They feel like they're missing out, so they abandon the plan, they start gambling, they lose. Solution: your plan is your plan. Compound interest doesn't care about meme stocks. Failure. Point 4. They don't start. $10,000 is a lot. I don't have that. Start with $1,000. Start with $100. Start with anything. The important part, start. $1,000 invested at 10% for 40 years equals $45,000. $259. That's a down payment on a house from $1,000. Let me give you some real examples of the lazy method in action. Example 1. Grace Groner. She worked as a secretary her entire life, never made more than $30,000 per year. She invested $180 in Abbott Laboratory stock in 1935. She held it for 75 years. When she died in 2010, that $180 had grown to $7 million. She didn't time the market. She didn't trade. She just held. Example 2. Ronald Reed. He was a janitor and gas station attendant. Never earned more than $50,000 per year. He invested in blue-chip dividend stocks. He held them for decades. When he died in 2014, he had an $8 million portfolio. Nobody knew. He lived frugally, drove old cars, but he was a millionaire. Example 3. The average 401k millionaire fidelity tracks. 401k millionaires, the average one, contributed 15% of income consistently. Started investing in their 20s or 30s, never touched the money. Invested in index funds or target date funds, they didn't pick stocks. They didn't time the market. They just contributed and held. That's the lazy method, and it works. Let's recap how to turn $10,000 into $500,000 the lazy way. Scenario 1. Zero additional contributions, 41 years at 10% equals $497,851. Scenario 2. $200 per month, 27 years at 10% equals $500,889. Scenario 3, $500 per month, 22 years at 10% equals $501,539. The formula: 1. Open a brokerage account, Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab. 2. Buy a total market index fund, VTI, FXAIX, SCHB. 3. Set up automatic contributions. 4. Do nothing for 20 to 40 years. 5. Retire rich. Here's the bottom line. The lazy method isn't sexy. It's not exciting. It won't make you rich overnight, but it will make you rich slowly, inevitably, boringly. Warren Buffett's advice to most people? Put 10% in short-term government bonds and 90% in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. That's it. That's the strategy that beats 90% of professional investors. Stop trying to beat the market. Just be the market and do nothing. If this changed how you think about investing, smash that like button, subscribe for more boring wealth truth, and drop a comment. How much are you investing per month? I'll see you in the next one. Now, go be lazy and get rich. Peace.